Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's been a minute since we had a live stream. Just me. It's been a minute since I did my own live stream. If you guys are familiar, I used to stream every Wednesday. Today we're doing it on Tuesday because tomorrow it's my birthday. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I am taking the day off to just fucking chill, man, and do my own thing, spend some time with my fam. Man, I'll be around. I'll be around Twitter and doing all the things and catching up with all the stuff, and I'll be in spaces because I'll have time tomorrow to sit and talk in spaces and not work. By the way, we got a nice Nespresso coffee. We always have an espresso coffee for our live streams. So a lot of cool things to talk about. A lot of things have been happening. A lot of things going on. We are growing. The Modern Canadian is going to the next level here. If you guys saw some of my videos on my X, I have been at the conferences. I was at the Futures Conference, which is absolutely amazing. I was at the Consensus Conference in Toronto, which is also equally as amazing. Got to shake a lot of hands, meet a lot of people, and like some new developments to let you guys know about, which is pretty freaking awesome. My Twitch chat is just like loading over and over and over. I don't know what it is with these. When you pop out the chat, they just go absolutely insane. Am I on a VPN? I don't know. That's weird. If you are on Twitch, you might wanna get off Twitch and go on X or YouTube. I'm on multiple platforms. I believe I'm on even on in 3 minutes. I'll be on the arena. I scheduled it ahead of time so I can know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so a couple of developments to talk about. I am now a Weeks ambassador, guys. I've been actually using Weeks Exchange for a while, and I so happened to meet somebody at the Futures Conference that hooked me up with my ticket to Futurist. Shout out to Ben. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate you. Your after parties were awesome. I'm so glad to have met you, brother. So we are now Weeks ambassador. I'm just getting rolling and getting to go and everything like that. You see down below, you'll see my QR code. That is my referral link if you want to trade on Weeks. And we're going to get some charts a little bit later after we go through the house cleaning. But Weeks is an amazing exchange. No KYC. We can just go and do our own thing. But yeah, definitely use Weeks. I've been trading on that exclusively. And I really enjoy it, actually. It's simple to use. I've had no problems with deposits or withdrawals. It's honestly been great. And their swag is actually pretty dope. But right now I'm wearing Avalanche Gaming because we're gaming at Invictus Gaming Hub in Toronto for the Avalanche event, and I got to meet a lot of the gamers that I've been playing with online and connecting with online, and it was really nice to meet them IRL and get that connection. Another cool thing to show you guys is I got swag. Look at this. Okay, so I made a connection at the conference, and I am now also an ambassador for Elipol. If you guys are familiar with the cold storage wallets, Oh, my background's screwing up. Anyways, it's Elipol. Maybe if I keep it to my face. So Elipol cold storage wallets. I got their newest product, which is the card. It's actually really cool. Kind of reminds me of like a Cold card or an Arceus card. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how to use these. We're gonna do an open boxing video, an unboxing video. I can't speak. An unboxing videos. I will do a tutorial how to use these bad boys, and we'll also be giving this one away. You guys are gonna get their newest product. I don't know how I'm gonna do the giveaway yet, but stay tuned. We will definitely be having a giveaway. And I also got a free Nano Ledger S from the conference, which I also will be giving away. We're gonna be launching a giveaway campaign for my channel as we're in growth mode, just like our portfolios. We're in growth mode, and we're gonna figure something out that way you can get you guys to engage with the stream, with the X post, with the YouTube, with all the platforms I have, and we'll do some giveaways because the best thing to do, in my opinion, is get back to the community. Like, what the hell not, right? Oh, so pretty sick. I'm gonna be in Vegas for the BTC conference. If you're gonna be at the BTC conference in Vegas, yo, hit me up. Let's connect. Let's shake hands and meet in our IRL. We call that proof of meeting. We're gonna take a selfie. We're gonna do a proof of meeting, and then we're gonna send those pictures to each other so we can remember who we are or who each other are. Twitch chat is gone. It is not working. It just reconnected. Let me reload it one more time. Yeah, so that's kind of it so far. We're just in growth mode. I'll be at Vegas as of Tuesday the 27th. I'll be in Vegas for the BTC conference. Unfortunately, my flight got delayed, so I'm actually gonna miss like the whole first day, which kind of sucks. I'm gonna get there around 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna miss the conference, but I'll definitely be there just in time for the after parties, which I will definitely be hitting up. Absolutely. So yeah, let's go over some markets today, guys. Let's get back in the swing of things. I will be streaming on Wednesdays normally. It's just tomorrow's the B-Day. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. We're definitely, me and the family are going out for dinner, so we won't be streaming. That's for sure. But yeah, so normally we're gonna get back to the swing of things. Wednesdays 9 p.m. That's gonna be the time. We're gonna get that late night chill where you get your coffee, you put your feet up, you relax, and check out the markets. So we'll go through what happened today in the markets and see what's going on. Alrighty, let's get into it. I think I should be live now. All right, I'm live on Arena now. Here we go. Hold on. Let's no. Okay, I gotta. Yes. Well, this is microphone. Okay, I gotta. How do I do this with my camera? Microphone, yeah. Do I have to redo the permissions? Waiting for screen share. How do I do this on Arena? Please, like, if you guys know Arena, like, for the, let me refresh the page. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. OBS virtual camera. Camera's on. Boom. You should see me now. Got the microphone. Sick. I like it. Yeah, you guys got my mic, so we're all good now. Cool. We are live on Arena. This is my first Arena stream, guys. So if you guys are on the Arena, yo, say hello. Say hello to your homeboy on the Arena. All right, we're there. We did it. All right, let's go over some Bitcoin stuff. So I've been tracking Bitcoin. I've been tracking Bitcoin for a while. Let's get into the main scene over here. There we go. All right, so let's see where we left off. So I kind of been tracking this for a while. I've been tracking the downtrend. We broke into the downtrend. That was a long downtrend, man. That was what, basically since January 2025, January 20th, we hit an all-time high, but 109,000, and then we proceeded all the way down to 74,000 back in April. That is a 4-month downtrend, similar to our previous one that we had, like a 7-month, accumulation. And this is kind of accumulation right here. Like, it's really good. We accumulated, we kind of went sideways, now we're breaking up. It's like, this is not new, guys. This happens all the time. We come down, right, and we go up. This one is different, a little different. See, we came down, went sideways, went up, right? This happens. So if you see my red lines here, I have, these are my like support and resistance lines, and I'm on the daily chart. I honestly, lately, I've been mostly doing long-term trades. I've been doing more of the swing trades. I haven't really been doing the day trading, but I like to look at the long time frames. The longer time frames are more accurate. And again, I'm not a professional trader, guys. I am learning this myself. I am part of the Crypto Lifer group, so I am learning, and we can all learn together. I literally have my cheat sheets from the course that I took, and I literally print them out, and I go through them. Like, we're studying, we're all learning together here. But so far so good. I've been pretty damn accurate, and shout out to the Lifer, because Lifer Vision works. So we had a clear downtrend, and I was tracking this downtrend. I was looking at the channel. See, every time we had a channel that broke up, it kind of went down, right? And it was the same thing here. We had a channel here that went up, and then eventually it went down, and then that was the end of the trend. The trend right here is right here. We hit a bottom, right? Double bottom here, and then that was it. And we're back up. Like eventually, it's gonna have to happen. And then you see, like I like to follow the RSI here and the stochastic RSI, and the RSI and the stochastic RSI were double bottoms, and a double bottom is usually a pretty good thing. We also have to understand where we are. We were never in a bear market, guys. Never. We were never in a bear market. We were always in a bull market. I don't care what anybody says. Is if you zoom out to the weekly real quick, like this is still an uptrend. Even though we hit a bottom, like hello, your uptrend is right here. Right? We would have had to break, I don't know, like 52,000 to break that uptrend. We could have come down and touched even 52,000 and still been in an uptrend. So I am not concerned at all that we were ever in a bear market. It's kind of just like, you know, we're consolidating, and we got super heavy, super hot. We had a lot of not leverage, but a lot of shit coinery in the meme coin space, especially that pumped up fund. So we need to wipe that shit out. The whole Trump coin, like everything needs to be wiped out. So, and I'm pretty sure we did that. The fear and greed index went right now. So let's go to like today and see where we're at right now. So I'm gonna actually like clear all my work because this is a bloody mess. And what I see here is two bull flags. Okay, so this is one, right? Or this is a rising channel actually, but this is a continuation channel. Because we came into this channel from an uptrend, it's more likely to continue to the upside. If we came down from a downtrend, then it would be a continuation down. And then I see another bullish pattern here. Actually, this is basically the same thing. It's just another channel, right? And we came in from an uptrend, and we'll probably go to an uptrend. And let's see here, like, let's see how accurate this was. Like this uptrend, we measured the pole here. Boom, it hit it fucking perfectly, like absolutely perfectly. Look at this, boom, boom, perfect, right? So this one should, if we're, depending on when we break out, if we're going to break out soon. So I don't know how you measure it. Sometimes you measure from here, but we measure from the breakout, but I measure the breakouts basically like this. And from where I break it from the bottom of the channel. So if we go, so if that's the case, then we're most likely going to hit the bottom of the channel. If we don't hit the bottom of the channel, then it would probably be like if we break out here. Like so maybe 112. We're going to make a new all-time high. Before we make a new low, we're going to make all-time high. So it's going to happen. And I'm really thinking, is it this week? It could be this week. We're a little overheated in the RSI and the daily, which I'm partly worried about, but like we could definitely be up here a lot longer. Like it's happened before. Like if you see here when we had the previous all-time highs, we were up there. Actually, even before the all-time highs, if you look, we were like overheated right here before we even got to the all-time highs, and we came down, and then like, you know, actually we were going down as we hit the all-time highs, so we can still continue down here. But this is where you kind of look at the stochastic RSI, right? So stochastic is going down, RSI is going up. So I think we're gonna have some push to the upside. And let's go to the weekly, because I really like that weekly for that really long trend. Oh, we've been hot, super hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going on 7 weeks in a row up. So maybe this turns red. Maybe it's something like this. Maybe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, a little red, and then 2 more weeks up. We're just getting started, in my opinion. I think we're gonna have a big rip, and then we're gonna cool off for, you know, probably the rest of the summer, and we'll pick it up again probably sometime in the end of summer, the fall, and then the altcoins will like have their day in the sun. Right now, it's the Bitcoin show, guys. It's the Bitcoin show. So I can go through altcoins, and I will, but honestly, it's Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does right now, the altcoins are going to follow. And every time Bitcoin goes down, the altcoin's going to go down, and they're going to go down a little bit more. They're not ready. And I was talking about this in the Web3 Breakfast show this morning. they're not ready to stand on their own. They're not strong. There's no strength amongst altcoins right now. It's all Bitcoin. So that brings me to Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, you know, a lot of us think it's going to hit 70%. Now, I don't know if it's going to hit 70%. Very real, but look at this freaking uptrend. This has been hugging. So this white line is a 21 smooth moving average, and the red line is the 20-day moving average. And it has been hugging this. It lost it here, but right back up, hugging this. So until this trend is no longer a trend, then I have to believe we're going to continue up. So this is what we do. We follow it here, right? God, we can even come down to here. Maybe I'll measure from here. That's better. Okay. So we can come down to 60% and still be in this uptrend. Right? So yeah, maybe we do hit 70%. Maybe that's our top. Maybe we hit 73. We don't know where this is going to go. But until this breaks structure, you have to believe that altcoins are going to not do well, or not do well in comparison to Bitcoin. They could get dragged up. If Bitcoin has a big rip, they will get dragged up with Bitcoin, but their performance relative to Bitcoin will not be as great. So don't expect new all-time highs for altcoins anytime soon. I don't think it's going to happen yet. It will happen eventually, because this cannot go up forever, and this has been a really hot, like straight up and to the right, man. It's been pretty cool. I'll be honest with you. I've been a very big Bitcoin holder this year, mostly in Bitcoin than altcoins, and thank God I have, because man, if you're mostly in altcoins, you are sweating this bull run. I promise you, your time in the sun will come, as long as you're in good projects, obviously. But there are a lot of good projects out there, and you know what? Let's go through them, because right now it's the Bitcoin show. We know what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up, my friends. We have been hot. All right, so let's look at the other things. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, I've been tracking this. We've had this huge falling wedge. We broke out of the falling wedge. We're approaching my target, which is $3,100. And yeah, that's kind of just where I'm going. Like I've been following this huge downtrend on Ethereum on the RSI, if you see that, and it has yet to break it. It's like come up, gone sideways, and it's yet to break this uptrend. So when this uptrend gets broken, watch the hell out, man. It's gonna be crazy. Ethereum, everyone is shitting on it, and I'm reminiscent of other coins that people shit on, like Solana. Look back after 2021, everybody shit on Solana, and you know, look where it is now. It went up to $300. Like, you could have got it at $2 in a bear market, right? You could have got it at $2, and you know, you'd be laughing this entire bull run if you got it at the right time, right? So everybody's shitting on Ethereum. I still think Ethereum is gonna have its day in the sun. Now, is it gonna go to $10,000? I don't think so. I don't know. A lot of people are talking about a 10K Ethereum. That is pretty crazy where we are now. That's what, like a 5x? Maybe it could. I haven't seen it, but maybe it would have to have an absolute crazy rip, an absolute massive rip for that to happen. And to be honest, it's got to get started like soon, because it's already May. It's going to be the end of May soon, and then we're going to be into June. You know, what do you got, like 3 months? Like, how long is an altcoin season gonna last? 2-3 months? It's not gonna last very long. You think you're gonna get a 5x in that amount of time? It could happen. I don't know about for Ethereum. It's such a big coin. It's gonna have, you know, there's gonna have to be a lot of money going to move it that fast. And I really do believe that Solana has taken a lot of market share away from Ethereum. I've used Solana. I love Solana. It works great. We had some issues where transactions during the meme coin craziness, that Solana was a little slow. Transactions were failing, swaps were failing. We've had that, but it never went down and never stopped. So that for me was like its big proving point that we needed to see, because that was, for me at least personally, I don't know if it was for you guys, but I'm sure it is for a lot of people, that, you know, the blockchain shutting down when it got really busy was kind of scary, because you don't want your shit shutting down. You want it to work. And so far it's been working nonstop. It's been very good, very fast, very cheap to use, which is what everybody wants. Nobody wants to pay stupid fees to make a swap. I remember back in 2024 when I was playing Big Time. Big Time was on Ethereum, and I was paying like 50, sometimes almost $80 for fees to swap Big Time to stablecoin. Like, it was just insane, way too much. Mind you, the Ethereum fees have gone down a lot now. Now, is that because nobody's using it, or is that because they actually fixed the problem with the fees? I don't know. Let's find out when we see the mania come back and FOMO coming in, retail coming in, and everybody using these networks. Let's see what stands the test of time. Let's see if Solana can withstand it, and let's see if Ethereum fees can stay low or relatively low. All right, so this brings me to the DXY, because we looked at dominance. So lately I've been kind of watching. I'll be honest with you, I've been looking at the charts once or twice a day, because I have my next price target in mind. I've already deleveraged myself earlier this bull market when we hit the first all-time high for Bitcoin. I didn't sell top, pretty damn close. I sold at 107K. So I have my next price target in mind, and this is what I tell you guys: have a plan, have a plan, have a plan, have a plan. You have to have your exit strategy. Sell at the prices you're going to sell at, even though you're probably leaving money on the table, and you probably will sell some profits, guys, because it feels so good when you sell profits and you don't stress the markets. You're not making emotional decisions, and you feel comfortable in what you're doing. So take your profits and take some of your profits and put it back into a swing trading portfolio. It's exactly what I did. You put some money into a swing trading portfolio. You try to just buy really big dips, and you sell pumps. Think about it. If you do 20% trades, so you make 20% and you make 3 swing trades and you make 20% on each one, right? That's more than you're hoping to make on like your average, like the S&P 500. A good year for the S&P 500 is like 20%, maybe 30% to the upside. And if you can do 20 or 30% 3 times a year, it's a pretty damn good swing trade. And it's nothing to shake your head. I think we get so like accustomed to like how crazy crypto can rip that we don't like take it into real perspective, because realistically 20-30% is very, very good. That's a return that somebody like tries to get in a year, and you can get that in like 2 days in crypto, or a day. All right, DXY clear downtrend. So we're on the weekly right now. This is a clear downtrend in my opinion. And this is on the weekly now. I'll show you the daily in a minute. But that's huge. That is huge. That brings me to a breakdown here. And it looks like we're just about to start this. Like, it's about to break out of or if we ignore the wicks, it's already broken down. If we ignore my wicks, but that brings me to a target of 94 for the DXY. Like, that is a clear downtrend. And this is called cat ears or Bart Simpson, right? So if we look at I just saw this now. That is crazy. So this is the Bart Simpson pattern, and this will bring us basically right to here. I'm going to put a line here for you guys. So I see the DXY making its way down to 89 and maybe even lower, which is crazy because me and I don't know if you guys know Blocky is also part of the Web3 Breakfast. We were talking about that this channel here has been like a 7-year uptrend for Tether dominance, and if it goes to 89, it breaks that 7-year uptrend. So that could be something pretty crazy to see if we do, or even if we touch the bottom, brings us to 95. But I really think we're gonna have a break cycle. There's too much institutional FOMO. There's too many people buying Bitcoin. Everybody wants to hold the best asset in the world, and it's Bitcoin. Like, why wouldn't you, right? No, let's go through the altcoins, because I have an altcoin portfolio. I'm going to go through the ones that I have in my portfolio. If you guys have something that you want me to take a look at, just put it in the chat, and let's take a look at it. So Ethereum, where were we? Link. Yo, shout out to the Link Marines. Are you a Link Marine? Again, most of the altcoins are going to look very similar. I've been tracking these on the weekly, the longer term time frames, guys, because we have been so gone. Like, the altcoins have been such a disaster that it's been so hard to track these on the day to day. Again, I am not a professional trader, so, and I'm not really programmed to think short term. I am a long term thinker. So let's go and take a look at this. Yo, AN, hi. I just realized I don't have the chat for what do you call it? Arena. Can you pop out the chat for Arena? I don't think you can. Okay, let me move this over. That way I can I pay attention to my Arena fam. This is my first time on Arena, so show me some love. I don't know if you guys do. You do like streams on Arena? All right. So Chainlink, so good. Oh my god. Some crazy partnerships lately. This has been a good coin. Actually, it's funny. My wife got me onto this coin. She started doing her own research and she got in, and in the bear market, she told me, you know what, we gotta buy Chainlink. And you know, I've been the one talking about crypto for all these years, and she went out and did her research and did her due diligence, and we get Chainlink. And Chainlink is what connects the outside world into the blockchain. So anything that, like, if the blockchain needs to get information from the outside world, Chainlink is where you're gonna go. And again, like most altcoins, huge falling wedge. Falling wedges break to the upside 68% of the time, and lo and behold, here we are. We broke out. And this is what I really, really like to see, is when the moving averages start to get tight. So they're gonna come and squeeze. You're gonna have a big move soon. So we might kind of do something like this, go sideways, up, down, whatever. And like, we're gonna bring this down here, and everything's gonna go up. Like, we're gonna have a party soon. And the target for this falling wedge here is gonna bring you to, and we'll go to where we broke out here. That should bring you to about $30. So that's about a 2x. If you buy Chainlink right now, you're looking at a 2x from where you are right now. Not bad. That's 100%, guys. Hello, 100%. That's a very, very good, like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm just like the boring Bitcoin maxi over here, but I am very happy with 2x. Like, I'm sorry, but like, I know everybody wants that 100x, but 2x is not bad, man. I think about it in percentages, and getting 100% is tough. I know you can do it in crypto, but in the traditional markets, 100x is damn good. And if you're getting 100x's consistently, you're gonna grow your wealth really, really fast. All right, so that Chainlink, again, like I said, most altcoins are probably gonna look exactly like this. Dogecoin, dude, I love Dogecoin. I didn't buy Dogecoin last bear market. This bear market, I was sure to buy it. I was actually in a space today, and they were talking about Dogecoin. How it's like, even people that don't know crypto know Dogecoin. And you know, it's so funny because I remember in 2021, I was looking around Facebook Marketplace trying to buy some stuff for my mining farm. And the guys were like, hey, I think I was buying, I think I was buying SSD hard drives. And this guy was like, what do you need? What are you buying? I said, I'm buying, I'm making mining rigs. I'm mining Ethereum. He was like, oh, cool. You hear about Dogecoin? This guy obviously didn't know anything about crypto, but he knew Dogecoin. And it's so real. So plug that into your life. Ask people in your life if they know about Dogecoin. Even people that don't know crypto, I'm pretty confident that they're going to know what Dogecoin is. So see if you can figure that out, or find people that know that. All right. So let's check out. So again, Dogecoin. Sorry, I'm like going all over the place here. Huge falling wedge. We've been going down basically since December. And we finally broke out of the falling wedge. The target I have for this falling wedge is about 47 cents. So from now, again, another 2x, right? I really do think Dogecoin could hit $1. At the very least 75 cents. I don't really see why it couldn't. And I feel like the altcoins are just getting started. Even if we look at the RSI here and we look at this downtrend, like, we haven't broken out. Maybe we're just about to break out, but we haven't broke out of this downtrend on the RSI. So, and that's just the weekly, guys. The longer the time frame, the more accurate this is. Okay, the longer the time frame, the more accurate this is. So make sure you guys are keeping an eye on this. So usually, if you want to look at your short-term things, you backtrack, go from weekly, daily, or 8 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour, whatever, right? I'm gonna show you the long-term trend. again, if you want to see what's going on in the market, you got to look at Bitcoin. I'm sorry. Your altcoin is not going to perform, or most likely not going to outperform Bitcoin at this point of the market. I just really don't think it's going to happen. All right, VeChain. Again, as you can see, falling wedge. Now, I've been tracking VeChain for a while, and as you see here, another falling wedge. What happened? Broke to the upside, right? Falling wedge. It's a matter of time. And that last falling wedge, we broke out, man. That was like what? We went up 322%. So what's another 322% from the breakout? That's so 275% would bring you to 7.1 cents. And that's basically where my target's at. I got about 7 cents. So again, you're looking at another, what are we at? 2x? Is that 2x from now? That's more than a 2x. Yeah, that's a little bit more than a 2x. So at 3 cents, 6 cents would be 2x, and 7 cents a little bit more than that. So you're looking at like almost not a 3x, but like a 2.5x, 2.2x. Not bad in my opinion. Now this is big time. This is the gaming token. I don't know if Big Time's gonna do well this year. I don't know. We had a falling wedge and we kind of like broke out and it kind of went down and sideways. So I wouldn't put any. If you're holding Big Time, I don't know. It could go up. It could go not. It could not. I honestly, to be honest, if this thing hits 20 cents, I'm out. I am like out, like all out. So yeah, that's Big Time. That's not a very good project. Ondo again looks exactly like VeChain, doesn't it? Falling wedge, broke up. Falling wedge, we're breaking up. Look at this. Doesn't this look exactly to the T? Like, look at this. Falling wedge, we broke out. We kind of went up, come down, made a new bottom, and away we go. We came up. We're gonna make a new bottom, and off we go. But that bottom is gonna be probably a higher bottom, or even exactly the same bottom. Is that exactly the same? Wow, that really touched the exact same bottom. So keep your eye on the altcoins on these falling wedges. There might be one more big opportunity. If that plays out the way that it did before, you're looking at another, we can consolidate down here, which makes sense here. The stochastic RSI is coming up. We're almost at getting close to the top. Maybe it comes back down a bit, resets. The RSI starts to go back up, and RSI, stochastic RSI, starts to point to the upside. So keep your eye in the altcoins because this is looking exactly like this. So our breakout point was about here. So we may come to, so we might come to, say, potentially here. So look for Ondo to maybe potentially come down to 71 cents. That'd be a really good buying opportunity in my opinion. Anything under $1 for Ondo is going to be so good. The measured move for this one here, I have going to about $2. So whatever you buy now, again, 2x. You buy now, you're looking at 2x in a matter of 2 or 3 months. And this went up like hard. Remember, all coins go up really fast. AVAX, again, falling wedge. Falling wedge. I mean, like I said, all the altcoins look the same. They look exactly the same. This is why you got to just watch Bitcoin. So again, same thing. We've come up. We may pop down for a bit, and then off we go. The measured move I have for this one is about $48. So again, you're looking at, this is actually more than a 2x at this point. A little bit more than a 2x. So honestly, I don't see an altcoin that you can buy that isn't like a 2x at this point. But you just gotta have that. You gotta zoom out and have that long-term thinking. Don't worry about the day-to-day so much. If you're day trading, then you need to look at your small time frames. You need to be in and out of these markets because the altcoins have been really rough, really choppy. So you need to pull. If you're in profit, either you do one or two things. If you're in profit, put your stop loss at break even. That way you can't lose the trade. If it does rip, great for you. You're gonna make profit, and then start moving your stop loss up. As the price starts going up, move your stop loss up. That way you can never lose the trade, and you're only gonna end in profit as you move the stop loss up. And just just make a little, shrimp a little bit. Just scalp a little bit here and there, scalp a little bit here and there, right? Get your trades in profit, move them to break even, have proper risk management, and it's just the amount of trades. If you have, 10 trades that are maybe small percentages, but you always move your stop off up to break even or into profit, and you're always going to make money or not lose any money, right? It's always another trade. There's one thing I learned when I got into trading is there's always another trade. I used to FOMO. Oh my God, I gotta get back in. Oh my God, it dumped. Okay, it's gotta go back up now. Like, you gotta eliminate that from your mind. And I think, honestly, a part of it, you just gotta live it, right? I can tell you about it, and people told me about it, and I've been in crypto for almost 10 years now. And until you live it, and you feel it, you don't really know. So don't use too much money and go crazy with that stuff. But proper risk management is the most important thing you can do in crypto, in any part of crypto, even elsewhere but trading. But if you guys are wanting to trade with me, Weeks, man, Weeks is the exchange to go to. This is what I've been using. There's no KYC. Very, very awesome platform. Very huge exchange, and it works very, very well. Very simple, and customer service fantastic. If you have any other problems, hit my QR code down below, and you guys can hit my referral link and get trading today. All right, man, that's pretty much it. And here's my cock analysis for today. The best meme coin on Avalanche is Cock Inu. Yes, all you need sometimes is just a Cock Inu. Falling wedge, again, another falling wedge, guys. And my measured move here is I'm not going to get all the zeros, but 22906, right? So you're looking at, I'm just going to give you a percentage increase. From now to here, I'm looking at 146%. Now, mind you, it might do like the altcoins to come back down and then bounce again. If it does, you might be able to catch it a little lower. If you see my little circle here, I'm gonna have to move it because the RSI, I thought we were gonna come and touch the RSI down here. I have an alert set for this. Unfortunately, it did not play out. So we missed it. I'm not gonna FOMO in. I'm not buying green candles. We'll wait for the next opportunity. We'll wait for the next dip, and then we'll get in there, because there's always another trade. Always another trade, guys. All right. So that's it. That's my analysis, guys. All in all, it's up. Bitcoin's doing very well right now. I'm gonna go back to the daily here. It's a Bitcoin show. It's the Bitcoin show, people. So we need to just watch Bitcoin. Let Bitcoin do its thing. Watch your dominance. Dominance is, look, we're having a recovery for dominance at this point, guys. So watch your dominance. When dominance starts to break structure, and then you have a clear downtrend for dominance, that's when your altcoins are gonna pop off. So just look out for that. That's where we're going. That is my analysis for today. That's the markets. Today was a good day. Bitcoin has been up at 105, down to 102, up to 107, all over the place. But all in all, we're in an uptrend, and this is really, really good. And it feels really good because next week we're at the Bitcoin conference, and it'd be nice to see new all-time highs for Bitcoin in Vegas, because hell yeah. All right, that's it. Today we're gonna play some Off the Grid. All right, boom, boom. That was great. So I got a new CPU the other day, and let me tell you, my game has been running so much better. So I was running with a Ryzen 7 3700X, and now I've upgraded to a Ryzen 7 5800 XT, which is still an old CPU, but man, it runs so much better now. I was getting like 60 frames per second, but like the problem was I was getting like when like a bunch of people are fighting, or when I'm fighting somebody else, it would just like chop, and then I couldn't see what the heck was going on, or I couldn't perform properly. But now now we got 100% FPS, or 100 FPS consistently, which is really, really good. All right, let me go to my stream information. I'm going to change it over to Off the Grid. Off the Grid. All right, we are ready to rock. Where's my Spotify? All right, we're ready to rock. So we should be doing better now. Yo, who here is going to the Bitcoin conference? Do I know anybody that's going to the conference? I am ready. I am ready to meet up with some new faces. All right, let's hop in here. I'm gonna do solo. I've been actually speaking of solo. Is anybody online that I know? Mikkel's online. There's no way she's playing right now. All right, let's do some solos. Get some warm-ups in. So really, really cool. If you guys don't know, Off the Grid has moved to mainnet, which is pretty darn cool. So now the gun token is live. The gun token, I believe it was like, last time I checked, I think it was like 7 cents. Let me see here. Let me go to Coin Market Cap. I'm pretty sure it was 7 cents, if I'm not mistaken. Mind you, it could have changed today. Where's my search bar? All right, let's guns token price. There we go. Guns is 7 cents. 7 cents for guns. That's pretty darn good. Oh, you know it's pretty cool today too. So I've been I was lucky to meet the CEO of VeChain, Sunny Liu, and we got to talking about the VBetter DAO, and it's pretty cool. I drive a Model 3, and I'm earning now by charging my Tesla, and it wasn't like I thought it was gonna be like 5 cents, like something like minuscule, right? And no, it was like $1. It was 96 cents US. So you know, for me, that's like $1.20, $1.30 I made for charging my car, and you know, I don't charge my car every day, so I charge maybe once every 2 to 3 days. But honestly, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's like $1.20 every 2 to 3 days for charging my car, which I would. And to be honest, my hydro rates at home, I think it only cost me like $5 to charge my car. Maybe, yeah, from like 20% to like 80. I think it only costs like something like between $5 and $6 to charge my car home on off-peak hours. So that is a very, very, very good return in comparison. That's like what, like 20%, 30% of my actual cost of charging. I was very impressed, and I will definitely be using more of the VBetter DAO. I think they have one where you can take pictures of your dog poop, guys. So pick up your dog poop, make some money. Definitely something to do. I think there's also like one where you can. I know JChain is doing with the pictures of your reusable mug for your coffee and whatnot. And again, you can earn. There's multiple ways to earn, which is pretty cool. So you can probably pay around that and probably make a good, like, you know, $5 to $10 a week. I wouldn't be surprised if you could. And again, when all coins start going up, like that, you gotta better believe that VBetter token or VBetter DAO, those token prices are gonna go up. Like, imagine that goes to 20 cents, or even 10 cents. Imagine it goes to 10 cents, and you're earning now at 7 cents, right?
Enemy down.
No, you're not Spider-Man. This guy thought he was Spider-Man with his hook shot.
Metric increasing.
Trying to freaking kill me. No, buddy. No. You're not Spider-Man. Maybe he's Spooderman. I'm Spooderman. Well, I don't have any more armor plates. Oh, this is just warm up. Can you open these now? No warm up? No, you cannot. Oh, nobody near me. Let's go find. Oh, there's people down there to kill.
Stay alert. You've being tagged by a hostile cyber limb. Assistance successful.
Ooh, that's tough. Let's go. Oh. I like this gun. Oh my god, so many people. That's so cool. I've never actually used a minigun yet. Yeah, do you not have to reload this at all?
Armor plates with
I couldn't turn it off
functions
fast
not
enough.
detected.
Dude, the minigun is sick. That's crazy. Yeah, that literally melts people.
Notice, armor plating no longer killed.
What gun did I have? Was that not my loadout? Oh, I must have gone loadout too. Oops. Like I always do that. I'll have a burst fire gun and I'll think it's like auto and I get screwed.
Hostile Cyberlimb is tracking you. Taking countermeasures or leaving area is advised.
Got him. Dude, I love the recon drone. Recon drone is so good. Where's this guy?
Danger.
Oh,
You've
there
been
he is.
detected by a Cyberlimb.
Okay, warm up's over. Let's get the party started.
Ah, here we go. All right, we are warmed up. Let's go. So I don't know what's going on with Twitch. Let me check my actual like window because the Twitch chat is just not happening today. All right, let's see here. Twitch chat's popped out, so it won't even show on my window here.
I like to take a small moment.
Yeah, I don't know,
before we
man.
go into battle.
I apologize if you guys are on Twitch. It's not working.
So if you're in a team,
I don't know why,
try
but
to be a fucking asshole. and
Twitch
let your
chat
teammates
is just
down.
like fucking bug.
Okay, pre-match
I'll
is
reload it.
over.
Yet
It is
again.
finally time to get to work.
There's always something. There's always something. Alright, where do we want to drop? You know what? I want to drop here. I like dropping here. I like dropping here because if you find a hex, like, they're right there. Ah, crap, somebody's going to be there already. Yeah, let me hit this building right here. Oh, no, inside. What I die in like 2
Establishing
seconds?
connection. The kinetic shield arm installed.
Why you do this to me? Give me a gun. Okay, there we go.
Armor fully loaded.
I hate when there's like no gun when you drop in. So silly. What am I got? Wow, okay, I got the good shotgun. That's good at least. There was a guy here. Oh. I thought I just saw someone for a second. Grab that. This is the burst fire gun, isn't it?
Enemy hex extraction.
Not gonna lie, this is
detected
gonna
in
be a little
OCO.
hard with
You
music because
fucking morons not know
you know,
how to defend an
footsteps.
extractor.
Oh. Fuck, somebody's really close. Really close. Is he on the roof? Is there a way for me to get up here? No. Alright, let's see if I can find this guy. I hear him, but I don't see him. Can you climb this? Oh, I can. Oh, there he is.
All biological
Get out
functions
of
not
here.
detected.
Oh my god, he killed me so fast. So fast I died.
Enemy is extracting the hex. Would you
Uh.
look at that? Stork City.
You know what I do like about when you respawn here? I go right back to where I died. And I usually kill the guy that killed me.
Enemy down.
See? Then I get all my gear back.
Shh, shh, shh. Listen. What's that sizzling sound? Hear that? Yeah.
Limb pairing in progress.
Safe space shrinking.
The hammerhead's legs installed. Vital signs improving.
Alright, let's get my...
Hex extraction in Stork City.
I don't have any
Go
armor?
steal it for yourselves, you incompetent panty turds.
This guy had like nothing. What the hell? I have no armor. I don't know if I want to fight this guy, to be honest. Yes. Armor, we found it. Alright, let's stock up on armor, and then I can fight this guy maybe.
Armor fully loaded.
Ooh, I kind of like this gun. This is a vulture? Oh shit, here's somebody.
Armor plates require resupply.
No, he must be so low. I popped him in his face hard. Where'd I die? Okay, I'm gonna go straight back down. He's so low. There's no way he's gonna survive.
Enemy down.
I knew it.
Grid overload has been paused.
Limb pairing.
Not merciful.
Health metric increasing. The hammerhead's legs installed.
Yeah, there's no way he was gonna survive that.
Someone's flipped the big red switch in Little Keith and are extracting the hex
I like
right
how they
now.
did the respawns here. It's actually kind of nice. After you, I think it's like,
Armor fully
I
stocked.
think you have to hit kills or
Hey,
something, and you
sorry
you get a
to interrupt the
respawn
game,
again.
But I heard you might be interested in a little tactical advantage delivered your way. Yeah.
All right, where is everybody? If I can find a recon drone, that would be really ideal. Casper, assault rifle. Pick that up actually. No, I'm gonna pick that up. You know what? I want to keep the vulture. I really like the vulture. Darn, I didn't get any more items here. Oh shit, there's a bunch of people. Go. Make third man this one. Got him.
Don't let the grid
Enemy down.
you are dead.
Dude, I'm telling you,
Enemy is
like,
extracting the hex
I was
technology.
playing this game with one hand behind my back.
You have enough
I'm
funds
not
to
gonna
call the
lie.
The grid is
Because
about to have a
now that I
meltdown
have
worse than Fukushima on steroids.
Installing
like
drivers.
proper frames per second, like
Ripper arm installed.
it's so I feel like it's so much easier to get kills now.
Don't miss out.
Downloading drivers. The hookshot arm installed.
You're one of
Shit, do we have any
25 zeros.
roadrunners? Oh, we
Limb
do.
pairing. Roadrunner's
Alright,
legs
let's get the
installed.
fuck out of here. Man, they changed the roadrunners. It is much easier to shoot people that are running now. Because it was impossible. If you guys have played this before, it is impossible back in the day to shoot people that had the roadrunners going. So I'm glad they fixed that because it was just like, that was a meta, man. Oh shit.
All armor plates destroyed. Injury detected.
Oh no.
Slow your road.
Can I get up before he kills me?
Monkey. Grid is
No.
Biological functions not detected.
Oh!
From now on, it's
I
do
didn't see him.
or die.
Where'd I die? Where'd I die? I'm going straight back down. This guy's toast. Shit. Where is he? Did he dip?
Listen up, assholes. In a couple of
I
seconds,
think I
we're gonna
missed
have an
him. I think he
electronic
left.
Armageddon unlike anything you have ever seen in your miserable fucking life.
I'm gonna go back to my body. I bet you I still have my guns there.
Attention all zeros, a grid
I
overload.
got
zone's approaching.
2,100 bucks. Oh shit. Run away! Oh, that sucks. Alright, we're gonna hug the edge here.
Hostile hex extraction in Stork City.
See if I can loot.
Go steal it for your sides, you fucking
that
chicken
really
shit
sucked,
pussies.
man.
The grid is on
I was
hold.
quite happy with my guns, not gonna
Hostile
lie.
squad launched hex extraction in Little Kiev.
53 seconds. See if I can get some money. Is that a minigun?
Updating the drivers. The Maxigan arm installed.
Maxigun, that's what's called. Maxigun. 2161. I don't think I have enough for a loadout.
Armor fully loaded.
We got a Hawk. Pretty decent gun. A little hard for the recoil, but we'll make it work. Oh god, I hate the Proton. It looks like it should be a good gun. What do we got?
Grid overload is imminent.
How much money do I got?
Prepare for tighter
2261. 20. I can't get anything right now yet. Damn it! I need more money.
Over here, some bad news. The grid is about to have a meltdown
we broke.
worse than Fukushima
We
on
broke.
steroids.
Danger. Danger. Deadly overload imminent.
How many people are left? 16.
Stay alert. You've being tagged by a hostile Cybermen.
What the hell?
Slow your roll, you spineless shit monkey. The grid is on hold. This is a good time for you to do some of those breathing exercises to deal with
3
your
seconds.
anxiety.
3 seconds.
Bring those babies home. That's right, Dex extraction's boosted.
Where's this guy? What? How'd he find me? I'm invisible. You can't see me. I'm a ghost.
Heads up, the grid's gonna overload.
Armor
Not
plates
even
at
knowing
maximum
Yo, what's going on,
supply.
Shagar?
you animals.
Welcome to the stream. How are you doing, brother? Or lady? I don't know.
Smell something burning?
Configuring drivers.
Stay the fuck away from the shrinking
Leaper's
grid.
legs installed.
Where are they? That's really close. Oh shit! I gotta fucking run. Ugh. Too many people. Go away. This is my private square. How's your evening going, my friend? It's my first time on Arena.
Enemy Cyberlimb has revealed your position.
So I am on multiple platforms now. I'm on YouTube, X, Arena.
Attention all zeros. The contents of the loot crates
Something
have
new
been
for me. Okay, I need to
resupplied.
I need to chill. I need to find a place to maybe hide a little bit. I'm in the zone. We're in a good spot. Get my bearings here. I have a feeling someone's gonna be on this roof for sure. Maybe I'll just chill till my ghost comes back up
Grid
online. I got
overload is
45
imminent.
seconds.
So prepare for tighter quarters.
14 people left. You know what's really sad? I haven't finished my coffee yet.
Listen, what's that sizzling sound? Hear it? That's the sound of your fucking safe space shrinking.
Where? God, that's so close.
All right, catch your breath.
I'm in a
Shoot
zone.
somebody in the
20
face.
seconds left for my
Take
ghost.
a moment. Do some meditation. The grid overload zone is on hold.
Sufficient
Loadout sale
funds,
is
loadout
now
drone
active.
available.
Don't be a fucking Uncle Scrooge.
I wish
Bring
I had a little
yourself
bit more money.
something Special. You
I mean, like,
deserve it.
so close. I need 3,200. to
Hostile
have-
Cyberlimb is tracking you.
Oh, for
Taking
hell.
countermeasures
All
or
right,
leaving
man,
area is
come
advised.
Listen up. The fucking grid's about to fry you.
All right, hopefully that helps. Oh, that's a lot of people
Stay
over here.
away from the
Oh my
grid.
god.
Or
I'm just gonna let this play out.
Get a nice warm place
Holy
where the good
shit.
soldiers go when they die violently.
So many people. Oh my god. They're all here. Part of me wants to get these thumpers.
Downloading drivers. Thumper's legs installed.
Uh-oh. Thumpers what?
Be advised, you're marked by a hostile Cyberlimb.
Alright, let's see if I can get him.
Alright, folks, Kobe here with another announcement. The grid overload is starting faster than you can say you fucking noble.
Alert. Cyberlimb capacitance.
Got
critically high.
him.
Leave the high power zone immediately.
I got the same idea I did. Oh shit, someone's close.
Vital signs improving.
There he is.
Enemy taken successfully.
Enemy down!
Got him.
Armor plates required. Death detected.
No!
Initiating
No!
system shutdown.
Dude, I had his face lined up. He was eating. Oh, I respawned.
Danger. You've been detected by a cyberlimb.
Okay, that's not so bad. Ooh, can I get? Is this in the zone? Holy fuck, it is. Ah, I missed it. Shit. Damn, I lost my ghost. The ghost is actually like primo.
Enemy
That would have been
cyberlimb
really
has
good.
revealed your position. Jetpack thrusters malfunctioning. Repairing in progress.
Ah,
What failure looks like. Take a good
dude, I was top 5. Top 5.
look.
Oh man.
Move! Move!
Damn. That was close. Ah, darn. Oh well. That was a good game. That was honestly for the first game of the night. That was really good. Not gonna lie, I feel good about it. Yo, but all of the fam, welcome to the stream from Arena. First time here. Long time watcher, first time streamer. If you guys have been with the stream earlier, we were doing some market updates, showing you my analysis, or if you're into cock, you knew my cock analysis. That is what we were doing. If you guys want to trade with me, hit my QR code below for the week's exchange, and start trading today. All right. Let's get another one. That was a good one. So I have a 1.89 gun now. So now that we're on mainnet, that's almost 14 cents. Not bad. The last game that I played that actually had like a pretty decent like return was Big Time. Honestly, like per game, like if you can make 1 gun per game or 2 gun per game, I guess it depends how long your game is. If your game's half an hour, it's not really whatever, right? But I think it's pretty good. I think the marketplace, which honestly I'm really tempted to sell some of my skins because they're worth money. But a part of me is like, hold on to it because guns is probably going to go up in value. Altcoins have not really even gotten close. Altcoins are just getting started. So maybe I'll just hold it. I don't know. Whatever. Actually, let's take a look at the marketplace right now while we're waiting for a game. So I think it was appearances. Oh, never. Got cock blocked. All right, next one. Next go around. Yeah, I was looking at some items that were like a couple $100. Honestly, I'm good with that. I'm good with a couple $100 for items I got for like basically nothing. I'm not a huge I don't really care too much about having skins. But,
Now don't look so excited. This
I
is
think
not
$100
the
over a couple
beginning of
skins.
the
Let's put it that
battle.
way.
It's just the foreplay. Okay? Welcome.
Now, if I can actually find the epic Commodore in game without having to buy my loadout, it would be nice. That gun is so good. And what a difference playing this game with proper frames per second. Where'd this guy go? Are you guys like me? Are you guys spraying prayers?
All armor plates.
Holy
Death
shit,
detected.
my
Initiating
arm's
system
gone.
Kidding
shutdown.
me? That was baloney. I feel like I shot that guy in the face. Maybe I missed.
Stay alert. You've being tagged by a hostile cyberlimb.
Okay. It's Oh shit, there's a lot of people landing here.
Armor plates require biological
What
functions
gun did
not
I have out?
detected.
Oh man, I think I had my pistol out for some weird reason. Alright, let's make sure. See, it switched. Yeah, see, I pressed 2 to
Danger.
switch and
You've
it
been
switched
detected
back.
by a cyber limb.
Oh, there you are.
Armor
Enemy
plates
down.
There you
deployed.
go. Okay, this one you gotta kind of shoot a little above. Oh my god, there's a lot of people here.
Health
Holy cow.
metric increasing. Armor plates require resupply.
Oh no, I went too high.
Hostile
Oh, shit.
cyber limb is
Leave me alone.
detected. Initiating system shutdown.
Alright, I got Ushimi'd.
Good luck.
Alright, we in, let's do it. Yeah, I just realized this song. I used this song for a video when I made a Shatterline montage. It's actually like, honestly, I was pretty damn happy and proud of that freaking video, man. Like, I timed like a lot of the things to the music, and unfortunately, it didn't get that many views. Maybe I'll repost it. I feel like I've grown my channel so much more now. I might even get like a better reception now. Alright, where should we drop, chat? Where are we going?
Playtime is over. I call this part fly before
Where
you
are we
die.
going, chat?
Prove me wrong, and you'll earn my respect.
I don't even know. I don't know this map very well. Like, I don't know what are the cool spots? Where are the cool kids drop, guys? Okay,
Let's move there.
that's it. I picked a random building. We're going to the random building. That's our plan. We're sticking to it. Just like my crypto exit strategy, I have my price target in mind, and we're selling no matter what. Okay, we got a gun. It's respectable. It does damage. It's not a pistol. Alright.
Armor fully loaded.
Anybody use a sniper in this game? I suck so bad with snipers. I think the last game I was half decent with a sniper was
Establishing connection.
I think it was Counter-Strike. I used to be
Javelin
really
arm
good with the Scout. Y'all remember the Scout Counter-Strike? It used to be what was the map called? I think it was called AIM AK Scout. And you had like less gravity, so you're able to ooh, that's a good gun. I'm gonna keep the boom
Hex
slang.
is being extracted in Stork City.
Yeah, so in
Don't
AIM
just
AK Colt,
stand
you
there, go
basically
kill them
no
and take
score.
their shit.
What was it? Scouts and knives. Sorry, it was Scouts and knives. It's either you had a scout or a knife. I think the Mavinga's really good too. Shit. Maybe I'll just pick up the some close. Oh, shit, this has a scope. I don't. Oh man, they both have a scope. I don't want to hip fire this shit. This guy's really close. Where are you? There you are. I found you.
Hex extraction detected in Osio.
Dude, he's gone. I'm not gonna catch that guy. I ain't gonna catch him.
Heads up, the grid's gonna overload. Not
Oh, you
even
know what?
Noah's Ark
Did he
can
grab
save
the
you
hex?
now, you animals.
Maybe he grabbed the hex and he's going for the. Yeah. That's exactly what
Oh
happened.
Jesus! I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but the grid is
Hello,
about
hello?
to have a meltdown worse than Fukushima on steroids. Heads up, Zeros! Combat DJ event is on nearby. Small space, big problems, bigger rewards. Move your asses!
Where'd he go?
Sufficient balance. Loadout drone available.
Where the fuck did he go? There you are. Damn, I suck. My aim is hot garbage. Dude, I need legs. Like, any legs would suffice at this point. I am in a rip. Yeah, I'm getting shot at, of course. I'm in a really bad spot. This is not a good place to be.
Notice. Killed.
Enemy down!
Did I get him? I got him, sucker!
You have enough funds to call the truck.
That's fucking awesome. I got him, he got me. We're both going back to the same place.
Assistance successful.
Shit, I can't climb this. Can I get my shit back?
Installing drivers. The Javelina arm installed.
Be advised.
Here we go.
Enemy initiated Hax extraction in Storm City.
Bastard took all my damn ammo. That kind of sucks.
Armor plates depleted.
Is that somebody else? That was somebody else.
Death detected. Initiating system shutdown.
Boy started following me. Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate that. Welcome into the stream. Hope you're doing well tonight. We are just chilling, man. Got the day off work tomorrow. Tomorrow's my birthday, guys. Literally my birthday. 37 tomorrow. I'm getting old.
You still can.
Got that salt pepper going on in the hair. But salt and pepper don't care. Oh shit. Hello.
All armor plates underkilled.
If you weren't fucking
That was a
dead,
bad game. That was not my best.
Sufficient funds laid
Not
out.
my best game. We set the bar real high in the last game. And, we're shitting bed. Yeah, I appreciate the follow. You're my first follower on Arena, so you know, you should feel proud. Welcome into the stream. If you don't know me, I am Mike, the Modern Canadian, and you know, we do things and stuff in crypto. You know, we educate people, play games. We just generally have a good time because, like, why the hell do we want to be investing and being involved in crypto and it being boring? Like, if you want to be boring, go to traditional finance, right? It was fun. Web3 is fun. That's how it should be. Just have fun. And don't take your damn self too seriously. Speaking of taking myself too seriously, we gotta change up this appearance because wouldn't it be Santa Claus? Let's be Santa Claus. Christmas in May. I was gonna say Christmas in July, but we're not quite in July yet. All right, let me change my loadouts. What do I got? I got the boom sling and the Commodore. Let me go SMG. I'll pick up the. What do I have? Coma Kite. What's a good one? The AVG this is not the burst fire one, is it? Fire rate's high. Okay. Ooh, I have a good one actually. There we go. Still expensive, man. It's probably because on my cyber limbs. Whatever. 3,500 for that loadout. Do it. Fuck it. Okay, we'll do it live. Oh, we were gonna look at the marketplace before. Let's see. Appearances. Full body skin. So let's see my Santa skin. Crackhead Santa. Look at the market. The lowest price is 1,050 gun. And gun is what? Gun is 7 cents. So 1,050 gun is 72 bucks Canadian. Not bad for a gun, like a game, one that you got for free. Well, not for free, but you know, you had it for the if you had the pro. What else? Let's see the Trump skin. Wow, low to high. Lowest price for the Trump skin is $29.50. That's 204 bucks Canadian. I'm almost tempted this. What is the Kamala one worth? I watched the Kamala one be worth more. No, oh my god, no. Yeah, oh my god, Kamala's worth nothing. Nothing. That is so funny. It's worth like 350. People just really don't like Democrats. That has nothing to do other than that, but that's so funny. 350 gun. That just keep it at that point. $24, yeah. We'll keep that one. Honestly, I'm honestly tempted to sell the Trump one. What's the Ninja one worth? Well, I feel like Ninja should be worth more than Trump. About 1,500 gun. So let's go 1,450. $100. $100, man, in gun for a skin. That's not bad. That is crazy. That's so good. I'm honestly tempted, like, just to get pro again to see what other skins I can get and see if it's worth it, right? Not to mention the extra gun you get from having probe. It might actually be worth it. It might actually work out to be. You might break even if you play enough. You might be able to break even on your subscription, and then all the skins you get is really just the cherry on top, just a bonus.
Welcome to the pre-match. Now it's just a warm-up, but if you die within the first 30 seconds,
You know, I
it's
find
gonna really
absolutely
fuck with your
hilarious
confidence, so
with these
don't do
skins. This is nothing new. It's like back in the day when I was playing Counter-Strike, like CS:GO. CS:GO was been doing the same thing ever since Steam came out. Oh no, this is the burst fire gun. I hate this gun.
Damage. Repairs are in progress.
Really, bro?
Stay alert. You've being tagged by a hostile cyber limb.
Whee! Ooh, Santa's a ninja, guys.
Vital signs improving. Armor plates depleted.
Whoa!
Biological functions.
I did not even see what happened. They put me with tryhards, guys. Alright, hold on. I gotta change something. People in my Twitch, man, just want to like cheap viewers. Buy here. No. I don't want cheap viewers. I don't want any viewers. I'm kidding. I want viewers. Please come. Alright, delete that message. Nobody needs to see that. Dude, what is with Twitch chat? It's just like circling and circling and reconnecting the chat. Screw it. It's all about Arena tonight. You guys are the only ones. You guys are the ones chatting it up. All right. Speaking of my Arena chat, like what's up, fam? What are you guys up to tonight? Y'all playing? Y'all trying to play OTG? You running this shit? Oh, there's a lot of people here.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Cooked them like a dry-ass Christmas turkey. Gobble, gobble, motherfucker!
Gobble gobble, motherfucker. I like it. I actually very much like that. We just dancing until I find who's shooting me. There he is. Oh shit. Where'd he go? Ah, I can't turn my wrist anymore.
Merry Christmas, cunt!
And here we finally go.
Dude, this is so cool.
Real battle
Dude, the
royale
maxi
story.
gun is so
Yeah,
good.
next
Like,
life index.
stupid good. That is crazy. Actually, really, really like that. It's my new favorite Cyberlim. That is my new favorite Cyberlim, and that's what I'm gonna use. Like, that is the best thing when people are flying in the air. And you don't have to reload. If I'm not mistaken, I think I just saw like a little overheating thing, and that was about it.
Face and rip those enemies apart.
Alright, let's see what's going on here.
Be
Where are we dropping, chat? Where do you want to go today? I'm just gonna pick another random building. Fuck it, right here. Boom. Santa sleigh's coming tonight. Let's fucking do it.
Updating the drivers.
Oh, someone's here, someone's here, someone's here,
The
someone's here.
Slapfist arm installed.
Dude, leave me alone.
successfully.
I have no armor, do I? Oh, somebody else is coming. Alright, let's see if I can get the fuck out of here. Honestly, I don't even want to fight this. I need a weapon. Because I suck with the pistol. Okay, that's a weapon. That'll do. That'll do. Oh, fuck. It's a stupid burst fire gun. You guys like the burst fire gun? I really don't. I think it's like the AVG or AV100. I'm not a fan. Not my style. Not my style. I don't mind a burst fire gun for like maybe long range, like mid to long range, like with a scope, but short range, not my jam. I didn't even want to pick that up. I really hate the cleanser. Oh shit.
Notice, armor plating no longer
Ho
viable.
ho ho!
Ooh, that was close. I
Motherfucker.
almost did not survive that. Oh, that guy had a hex.
Health metric increasing.
I'll take that. There is the Hextractor right there. What are the chances I can get this hex started without someone killing me? I don't see anybody here. Ho 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 ho!
Hex extraction initiated.
Ho ho ho, motherfucker! Let's go!
Limb pairing.
Thumpers.
Thumper's legs installed.
Okay, what do I got here? Oh, somebody's here.
Initiated hex extraction in Osio. Grid
This is
overload
the
is now
squall.
in
Ooh, I got
effect.
the squall.
Prepare for tighter quarters.
Someone is here, man. What are the chances I can survive this?
What's that sizzling sound? Hear that? Yeah, that's the sound of your fucking safe space shrinking. Combat DJ event incoming! Time to fight like you running down the street wearing nothing but cash.
Come on, Hex. What are we at? 74%. Oh, I think I might get this. Might be lucky here. Somebody's here, though. Somebody's so close to me.
Extraction 100%. Hex
Let's
data
go.
transfer.
We got that Hex. Like it. Ooh, nice backpack. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, they're close.
Armor fully stocked.
Oh shit.
Error. Aim. Checks. Value. Recalibrate.
Get out of here.
Right now.
Oh, ha, ha. Smart guy. He was waiting for that just to finish.
Vital signs improving.
Well played, see? Well played. Well played. Well played. Okay, I need to get the fuck out of here. Okay, I kind of screwed up that slam fist.
Hostile squad launched hex extraction in Little Kiev.
Plates wound detected.
Oh shit, he had the maxi gun. He had the maxi gun. There was no hope that close that I was gonna survive. That's good. I didn't really have much of in the way of guns.
Attention, assholes.
Alright, let's go find somewhere to loot. Let's get some money and see if I can actually call a loadout. Ooh, what's that up there? That actually might be worth
You've
picking
been
up.
detected by a cyber limb.
Shit.
Hex extraction detected in Osio.
Armor plates at maximum supply.
Oh, I've been spotted.
All armor plates destroyed.
Boom. We got it. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Health metric increasing.
Right through the door. Right through the door. Oh, I didn't make it. Alright, I actually got my favorite gun, which is actually pretty damn
Armor
nice.
fully loaded.
I really like this gun. So what I got? A slam fist and a what do you call that thing? The Ripper. Not the stripper, the Ripper. But the Ripper can definitely strip your clothes off. You know what I'm saying?
Don't let the grid touch you, or you
Honestly,
are
do I
dead.
even need to like? I need to be
Are we
aggro here.
following that? I
You
hope
just
so.
need to chill. You just need to chill. We're like well in the zone.
Grid overload starting
Somebody's in a
faster than
building
you can say
across from me
chirp
shooting
fucking
somewhere.
noble.
Where are you, buddy?
Combat DJ active. No personal space allowed. And try make your mamas proud of you for once.
Try to make your mamas proud, guys. Come on.
Enemy hex extraction detected in
Well,
Little
what are you
Kiev.
doing if you ain't
Get
making
your
your mama
sorry ass
proud?
over there before those goddamn assholes decrypt it.
I don't see anybody down there. You guys ever use the shoulder switch? I never really use it. I'm not gonna lie. I use my mouse buttons for one is for my like my cyber limb, and one is usually for like when I talk in Discord, like a push talk button. How many people left? There's still 30 people left. Still a lot of. Oh shit! I almost fell down there. Can I get up here? How did that guy die?
Assassination assistance completed. Jetpack propulsion.
Oh shit!
Slow your roll, you spineless shit monkey. The good
Biological
What the
conditions
fuck?
detected.
exercise to deal with your anxiety.
I don't even know how he killed
Someone
me.
flipped
That
the
was
big red
crazy.
switch in Little Kiev
Enemy
and
cyber
are
limb has revealed your
It's
position.
really hard to get away. It honestly really is.
Just a heads up, your respawn lifeline will be going away.
Enemy down.
Far
There you
away.
go. I hope that's the guy that killed me.
Vital signs improving.
What the? What was that?
System shut down.
Did he have two
Sufficient
slam
balance.
fists?
Loadout drone available.
I think he killed me with two slam fists.
You know,
Yeah, I think that was the guy that killed me. That's how he. I think that's how he killed me before. Oh man, that was rough. That was rough. That was rough. We got a hex. What do we get? 0.13. It's all right. All right, we're gonna take a quick washroom break. I will be right back, fam. All right, we're back. Let's get back in this. It's Christmas time, right? Santa's ready for some more. Order your personal load at once, and I get a hex. Okay, I need to finish that. What's that? Noob? Noob? Daily missions. What I got for daily missions? Deal damage with a shotgun. Okay. Oh, I finished actually. Okay, let's do some shotgun damage. Let's find some shotguns and you know, start shooting people. Weekly, deal damage with a marksman rifle. Okay, so I need to snipe some people. All right, so shotguns and snipers. That's what we're doing. That's it. That's the mission. All right, let's get this. Let's get it.
Boys and girls, welcome to the pre-match.
Man, we started off so strong. We finished number 5, and
Make your family proud.
it's been a hard climb back up to the top. You know, it's been tough, but we'll get there. Oh shit! Wow. We're not gonna get there playing like that. God dang. Let's climb up here. I love hiding here.
Health metric increasing.
You know what? Maybe I might be able to get up there. Actually, probably not. You're dead.
Fucker. One more for my cut list.
More for my cut list. What the fuck? That's so vulgar, but I love it.
Be advised, you're marked by a hostile cyber limb.
Oh shit!
Fuck happy holiday.
Armor plates.
Oh.
Biological
Oh, wow.
functions not detected.
I was caught reloading. I was reloading. It's such a bad habit. It's a really bad habit. After you kill somebody, you just reload.
I hope you got the hang of those
Instead of
sidearms,
actually paying attention to how much
the real
ammo
battle
you still
royale
have
is
left.
beginning. This time it is for
I never let. Do you never ever let your like magazine go to 0? I don't. I always try to make sure I have like a full mag. Again, as you can see, I'm a spray and prayer. I like to spray. I really love how they designed the drop ships. They look so cool.
Just looking at your checklist. Guns.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Let's
Limbs,
do
yes.
it.
Now, go fuck some shit up.
Alright, where are we dropping, chat? Where are we going? Gotta go over here.
It's time to get to work.
I think this is a new area. I don't really know this this side of the map very well. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna hit that building
Let's
right
move
there.
it.
This is probably gonna be in the hot zone, but YOLO. The good thing is we get to respawn. It's not like one and done, right? Oh yeah, that's totally the fucking hot zone. Holy shit, a lot of people here. Of course, a hex. I'm not gonna pick up that hex. That's too risky right now. Shit, where does this even bring me right now?
What a brave little
I have no
buds.
armor.
Enemy is extracting the hex in Little Kyiv.
Shit, somebody's right here.
All
Where is this
armor
guy?
plates destroyed. Killed.
I think I was being shot by more than one person because I was like looking in the direction I was getting shot from, and I could not see them. Oh man, not this gun.
Armor plates require resupply. Death detected.
Oh,
Initiating
you!
system
Oh, I'm
shutdown.
dead. Oh my god, 59 out of 59.
You might as well have taken a.
Okay, that was not good. I can't even use escape. It's I can't use the excuse that it's warm up because We should be warmed up by now. Just a bad game. Just a bad game. Next. What time is it? Oh, it's 10:46. I think I missed the. I think Wolfsdale were doing the game night at 9 p.m. I kind of forgot about it. Whoops. It's all good. It's all good. Come on, Santa. We got this. Alright, let's check my loadouts. I don't want this gun anymore. I thought it was the automatic one, but it's actually not. Let's go LMG. No, I don't want an LMG. I do want an SMG. What's a good SMG, guys? Maybe it's this one. This is kind of like an MP5. Ooh, I got a nice one. Actually, that's a Santa one. That actually, like, is so fitting. That's perfect. Okay, we're on theme, guys. We're on theme. Man, I just realized I should have got myself a water. Our coffee is done. The caffeine is in us. We're ready to rock.
Don't get too excited. This is not the real fight yet. It's just foreplay.
Alright, let's try this SMG.
This is the pre-match.
Honestly, the SMGs are really strong in this game. Oh wait, that's not the right loadout. Come on.
Armor plates depleted.
Oh, motherfuckers.
You're dead.
Alert.
You're
level
dead.
has been
Shot my
lost.
arm off. That hopeless abuse
Oh,
asshole.
you missed me. Ah, what the hell? You got two of them? Is that the new meta? Is like the two rippers like the new meta right now? Oh shit. Oh, ooh, that hurts.
All armor plates destroyed. Biological functions
I
not
had the
detected.
wrong gun out. Oops. And is that SMG another stupid burst fire? What is with the SMGs and the burst fire? Oh no, it keeps giving me the AZV-100. Why? Not my loadout. Where'd this guy go? Oh, I think he left. Where are you? You know what? Let's have some fun over here.
Nothing for you this
Got
Christmas,
him.
bitch.
I love this gun. This is honestly better than my main guns.
Enemy taken successfully.
Oh, the
Assassination systems
recoil is
completed.
crazy. Dude, that's crazy. Can you reload the ammo? What happens when the maxi gun ammo runs out? Oh, let's
Assistant
find
successful.
out.
Newsflash.
Oh, that's-
Pen is not
Notice, your armor plate no longer viable.
This gun is too good. It's so good. What the hell?
Vital signs improving.
Dude, that's too fun. Way too fun. Okay, there's just a cooldown. That's actually stupid good.
Enemy taken successfully.
Wow. All I want for Christmas is a maxi gun. That's it. That should be everybody's Christmas wish. What's more fun than just spraying like crazy and killing people? Oh, hello. Hello. Hello,
Let's get
friend.
this party started.
Hello, friend. Well, that was a great warm-up. But hopefully the game is just as good because I felt pretty good about that one. Maybe that's all I need. Maybe all I need in my life is a maxi gun. Actually, no. That's all I need in my life is maxi gun. Absolutely. let's fucking do it.
Remember, shoot them until they stop.
Tana's on a mission.
Shoot 'em again for good
Let's
measure.
go. Alright, where are we dropping?
Okay, so this is the part where you have to jump. Now, if any one of you pussies
You know what?
shoots
I kinda wanna
yourself,
go-
I will personally make sure
I'm gonna go
to
down by
jump
where the
after
yachts
you
are.
and choke you on the way down.
You know what? I know other people dropped here. I think at least one other guy dropped here. Oh, actually, you know what? We have that mission. We gotta do snipers, right?
Armor fully stocked.
I thought I saw someone drop around here somewhere. He might be on the boat. Ooh, I'm pretty... Oh, you can't break that? That was a window you can break. Apparently not. Man, this gun's got a pretty nice scope on it. Ooh, hello chest. I'll grab that. What do you got here?
Installing
Javelina.
The Javelina arm installed.
Equip. Alright, we got the kite. I think the kite is the one that's full automatic of the SMGs. Okay, okay. You know what? This is not so bad. I got a short range and a medium range gun. That's not... Could be worse. Ooh, let's go. I'll
Downloading
take
drivers.
that.
The Buzzkiller arm installed.
Don't mind if I do. Alright, let's see what we can do. I think I might actually turn my sensitivity up just a wee bit. Let's kill I already have a better one. Alright, where are we going? Where are we going? Oh. It's all the same. Kites. Yeah, don't need any of this stuff. Where is everybody, man? Is there literally nobody here?
Alright, you room temperature IQ motherfuckers. Don't let the grid touch you, or you are dead.
Oh, starting to hear people now.
You hear that? What's that? Oh, yeah, that's the sound of your fucking safe space shrinking. Kobe here with an important announcement. Someone has flipped the big red switch and is extracting the hex right now.
Yeah, he's close.
Heads up, Zeros. Combat DJ event is on nearby. Hex is being extracted in Stork City. Don't just stand there.
Did
Go
he see
kill
me?
them and take their shit.
Armor plates require resupply. Danger. You've been detected by a cyberlimb. Health metric increasing.
Yeah!
Cooked him like a
Got him,
giant
sucker!
Christmas turkey. Gobble, gobble, motherfucker.
Take that too. I'll
Armor
take
plates at
that
maximum
too.
supply.
Let's go get myself a hex.
Stay alert. You've being tagged by a hostile cyberlimb.
Shit. Can I? How do you drop items? I can trick this guy.
Alright, catch your breath. Shoot somebody in the face.
Newsflash. Santa's
It
not real,
worked.
kids.
Is on hold.
It worked so well. Fooled ya. La la la, you'll never get this.
Drop started. You've got some custom gear inbound.
The old bait and switch.
Extractor initialized.
Alright. I need some legs.
Insufficient power. Hex
Ooh.
extraction on hold.
Oh shit. No! That was quick. He was like right there.
Extraction hack initiated. Hex extraction failed.
You're dead. What do you think you're
Cooked up
doing?
like a dry
That is
ass
my
Christmas
hex.
turkey.
This guy, he thinks he could take my hex.
Hex extraction
No,
initiated.
not for you. It's mine.
Configuring drivers. The phosphor
Oh, I
fury
don't want
arm
that arm.
installed. Limb pairing. The Buzzkiller arm installed.
Alright,
Okay, Zero.
let's try this again.
Power shortage detected. Hex extraction halted.
Safe
Oh,
space
son
is
of a
getting
bitch.
smaller every
Can
fucking
you just
second.
let me get my hex,
Voice
please?
your disapproval online before you turn into human bacon. Hostile hex extraction in Stork City. Go steal it.
Oh,
You
How many times do I gotta kill you, bro?
turds. Listen up, maggots. The combat DJ event's gonna kick off nearby. Don't miss out.
Where's the
Vital
hex?
signs improving.
Oh man, I'm gonna lose that hex. Well, that was weird. Do I have to reset it? I don't forget how you do it now. Well, I had my satisfaction by killing the guy
Hex
multiple times.
extraction complete.
Oh, I got it. Never mind. Woohoo! Alright, we got the hex. We're winning. We killed that guy like 3 times.
Jetpack
Oh,
propulsion
shit,
is
shit, 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 shit,
progress. Alert, you are bleeding.
Boo! Where the hell did he even come from? I must have walked right by him.
Grid overload has been paused.
I must have ran right past that guy. I had no idea where he even was. Do I bother? Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna go back down there.
Tick tock. Yep, that's the sound of the clock. Respawns will be shutting down.
See if I can get my guns back. Oh, hello.
All armor plates destroyed. Death detected.
Oh,
Initiating
no.
system shutdown.
Be better next time.
I didn't even hear him run up on me. That guy's got pretty cool emotes. Alright, alright. GG's, GG's. I was doing so good. Unfortunate. Alright, I think we're gonna get one more in. And that's it for tonight. We're done after this. Point 1. Whatever, I got a hex. So many hexes to open, but I need a lot of gun for them. This is 8. What I got? What is an Omni Hex? I'm not sure what that is. Weapon. I need 1 for the weapon hex. Cyberlimb 1. Attachment 0.5 weapon skin. Don't know what Omni Hex is. I really do want to decode this one 8, but I cannot afford it. We're gonna save up for it. We're gonna save up for it. We'll get there. All right, we have one more game in me, and then we out. I appreciate all you people coming by, watching the stream on Arena. First time on here, so I'm glad to see people coming in. I appreciate the follows. Appreciate you guys chilling. If you guys want to trade with me, if you guys saw my stream a little earlier, I was doing the market update, going through my charts. Just hit on that QR code with the week's exchange, get my referral link, and start trading today. Because that's what's up. We're about the altcoins are about to rip, and you definitely don't want to be missing that move. That's for sure. I'll tell you, I do like this Arena app. It's kind of neat. The only thing I wish is a way to maybe get my chat, like pop out my chat. We'll figure it out. This is the first time. Oh, wait a second. Oh my god, there it is. That's how you pop out your chat. Oh, sick. Okay, there you go. Pop. Well then, that'll do it. Popped out chat right there. We're learning. We're learning. Cool. Dude, I have 3 chats though. Like I have YouTube, Twitch, X, and Arena. There's got to be a way to integrate all my chats together. Is there a developer here? Like any devs? You want to hook me up with like a program or let me know how to integrate all my chats together? Because I need literally another monitor specifically just for my chats. It's crazy. And I really don't want to use StreamYards because OBS, I feel like the quality of my stream on OBS is way better. Being able to switch in and out of scenes. But I guess I could use OBS to Streamlabs. It's an idea. We'll figure it out. Unfortunately, there's no one-stop shop when it comes to streaming. There's like no one-stop shop for like all the different platforms, which kind of sucks. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna close my Twitch chat. Like, it is just, it's been reconnecting all stream. If you guys are on Twitch, just like type something in chat. Let me know. Is it even working? Are you here? Can you see me? Are we live? I think we're live. We live? We're live.
Okay, James, you good to go?
Oh, last game of the night. Let's see if we can get top 10. Top 10 is the goal.
On my mark.
That, or at least let's finish our missions. Let's get some sniper, shotgun and sniper damage.
Welcome to pre-match. Now this is just a warm-up.
Get some
But
sniper damage.
if you die
Yo, does
within
your
the first
missions
30
count
seconds,
in
it's probably gonna fuck with
warm
your
up?
confidence,
Is getting
so try
damage
not
with a
to do
sniper
that.
in warm up count? You know, I'm gonna go right here.
Armor plates depleted.
Got
Available
him.
cyber arm detected.
Motherfuckers!
Shit. Oh no!
Biological functions
Oh
not
wow, I
detected.
died in like 2 seconds. Probably because that guy hit me with the sniper. Let's hit up this right here. Fell down. Oh shit, I'm being shot at.
Detached cyber arm detected.
Got
Who's
him.
blasted now, motherfucker?
Santa Claus is the best, honestly. This is probably one of my favorite skins. What are the chances? Oh, I hit him. Oh, he totally went out of sight.
Merry Christmas, cunt!
Merry Christmas, cunt. I think that guy's just AFK. I've never been able to snipe people like this accurately. I'm telling you, this CPU, man. It's been all the difference. The game just runs so smooth, so I feel like I can shoot properly. You know what? I knew something was weird. I knew something was off. Oh, they literally both killed each other. Oh my god.
Target cyber arm detached.
Oh, I got his arm off.
Assassination assistance completed.
No. Oh, I hit him. Yeah. Not so good on a moving target.
Available cyber arm detected.
Yeah!
Got him.
Cooked him like
Notice,
a
armor plating
dry-ass
no longer
Christmas turkey.
Killed.
Dude, I almost got him. He started reloading. I didn't even know what gun did I have. I had the kite.
Shit just got real. Now try not to die before you hit the ground.
I actually really like
Luck
that
out
sniper.
there.
The ninja sniper is pretty good. Speaking of ninja sniper, we should see how much that one's worth. Probably not worth much. It's a full body skin. It's not worth much. I don't assume it for it skin to be worth much, but who knows?
They might have a lot of reasons of being here today, but at the end
All right,
of the
let's
day,
do this.
every soldier fights for the man or woman next to him. Don't let each other down.
All right, where are we going? I think I'm gonna go there.
Let's go that way. Jingle beers,
I'm
jingle.
gonna need you to line up like a bunch
Let's see if I can get
goddamn
like
ducks
kind of
on
work my
parade
way.
and jump
I
out
gotta
of this
call my
goddamn
loadout.
plane.
That's one thing I gotta do. So let's focus on getting money, getting that loadout, finish my mission, and maybe get some sniper or shotgun damage. Oh, that sucks. I was kind of hoping to be able to go right through the door. I think that's a new. That's the other shotgun, isn't it? That's a new one. I don't think I've used this shotgun yet.
Armor fully loaded.
Wow. It was in the cards, man. Sniper and shotgun, like, it was just meant to be.
Downloading
Road
drivers.
runners and
Roadrunner's
Ripper.
legs installed. The Ripper arm installed.
Shit. Just knocked my mic right off. Okay, well, that was weird. See, this is why I need a new mic arm. This Amazon cheapy one is a... I've outgrown it. I've outgrown it. I'm actually looking to get something that can attach on the back of my computer desk and have the mic arm forward instead of it's on my left side. So it's very awkward when because I'm left-handed, right? So when I want to drink like a cup of water, I gotta like do this like weird thing over my mic arm. It's very awkward. You know, be nice. It'd be nice to get a recon drone. I like the recon drone. Hawk. Oh, hello.
Armor plates depleted. Biological
Oh my
functions
God.
not detected.
I misjudged the range on the Ripper. It's been a hot minute. Oh, I hate this gun. It's been a hot
Attention all
minute since
players.
I used the
Grid is
Ripper.
overloading. That's right, you
You know what? I
assholes.
should have used the
And don't look back unless
I
you
should have
wanna
used the
watch
Roadrunners.
dancing flames on your charge room. Okay, folks, now's the time to stay away from the grid or say hello to that nice, warm place where the good soldiers go when they die violently. Kobe here with an important announcement. Someone has flipped the big red switch and is extracting the hex right now. Heads up, Zeros! Kobe here with an important announcement. Someone has flipped the big red switch and is extracting the hex right now.
What?
Failure. These are words
Oh my God.
that you are going to become extremely
Oh.
familiar with.
That sucked. Shit. My bad. Yeah, I do not like the I do not like that burst fire gun. The AVZ 100. Not my jam. Not my jam. All right. That's the night, guys. That's it for me. We chilling. All right, so I'm not streaming tomorrow. Actually, let me see when I'm streaming again because we're gonna be in Vegas soon, homies. We're gonna be in the Bitcoin conference next Tuesday. So let me check my screen here. Yeah, I have so many browsers open. It's really insane how many browsers I have open. Yikes! All right. Let's see. Today is what, Tuesday? Yeah, man. We're probably not gonna stream again. Maybe Monday night. Maybe we'll do like Monday, like the night before Vegas. It'll have to be after my daughter goes to bed. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll do a pre-Vegas stream. We'll chill. and then go over some markets to see where the market's at. Maybe we're at new all-time highs next week, right? So this time next week, the first day of the Bitcoin conference, will we be at all-time highs? That's the question for us for this week. But that is it for me for tonight. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate everybody that came by my first arena stream. I appreciate you guys that sent me a follow and chat in the chat. You know, your most precious asset is your time, which the crypto lifer likes to say, and I really, really like that saying. And it is the most precious asset you have is your time, because you can never get it back. So thank you so much for spending your time with me. And yo, I'm out. Have yourself a great night. Take care.